What do you think is better, trading part-time or trading full-time?
Okay, so I think a lot of traders love day trading, and if you have a passion for that and trading full-time, then go for it, because it's a great endeavor to do, as long as you've got the mindset skills, develop patience, discipline, all of those things when you're day trading, because there are more emotions for a day trader than there are for a swing trader, because a day trader's sitting there watching it. Whereas a swing trader puts a trade on and they go off to work, or they go off and do something else and they come back and see what it's done at the end of the day or at the end of the week. So there's more emotional attachment for a day trader. But is there one or the other that's better than the other? No. But yeah, you can do either.
Can you rely on trading as your full income, or should you have multiple streams of income coming in?
Yeah, I'm a big believer in multiple sources of income. Trading is a source of income, one source of those incomes. But if you just go into trading and say, right, okay, I'm just going to do this as my sole source of income. I mean, crikey, even hedge fund managers don't do it as their sole source of income. They get paid by the fund. They get their basic salary before they've done anything, and they're fund managers. So why should we as retail traders think, and don't get me wrong, there are plenty of people I know who do it as a sole source of income, but you are putting a little bit of pressure on yourself. Even once you're a good trader, let's say you all of a sudden you're going to have a bad week or a bad couple of weeks, just a run-of-the-mill pullback, and you're not making any money, all of a sudden you're starting to think, oh, I've got bills to pay at the end of the month. And so whereas if you have other sources of income, whether it be some people, I know a lot of traders who've got property portfolios is a great example of that. So they have some income coming off that. Other traders might have pensions, because we've got traders who are in their 50s or so who are drawing on pensions, or businesses. Lots of business owners trade as well. So having another source of income, and there's lots of traders who have other part-time employed jobs as well. So I think it takes the pressure off you to be profitable. Like we talked about earlier on in this interview, sometimes if you just have that bad day or that bad week, the market's going to take money off of you. Well, at least if you've got another source of income, you're not going to feel despondent because you've got other income coming in, which means that you're going to trade better going into the next day or the next week, because you're not going to be thinking, oh God, I've got to make back the money, because the pressure's off.